going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. All right, I've got a good one. This is Judge Gonzalez out of Texas. Speedy Gonzalez. She's at it again. All right, one thing you don't do when you're in front of her, don't give her attitude. And you know what? Don't be an idiot. This guy does both. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Right. With that, we're going to get ready to do a plea on John Henry Gonzalez with Ms. Victoria Cruz. Is Victoria still in the courtroom? Is she still ready to go?
She's ready to go.
Yes, Your Honor, I am logged on.
Okay, stand by. And let me just pull up one more document here, and we're going to get started, Olga.
And who is it with, Maria or?
I think it's Maria Mancha, but it could be Jordan sitting in. I don't know.
It should be Maria, but I mean, whichever one.
Okay. Maria, you taking it? Yes, she's coming.
Okay. Maria, I just need one piece of information from you on this offense, date of offense, because I haven't had a chance to go in there and look.
Yeah, yes, Judge. I can get that for you right now.
Okay.
May 10, 24.
Is that what the docket says, Olga?
Docket says May 10, 24.
Okay, then that's it. Let me just, I'm trying to adjust the lighting in here for a little better. I'm sorry.
May 10, 24.
May 10, 24. Okay, all right. Ready, Olga?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go ahead and open the record in case number 734068 in the matter of the state of Texas versus Mr. John Henry Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, you're on live. Can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you consented? Have you given Ms. Victoria Cruz and this court permission to go forward with your proceeding via video conference, also known as the Zoom app?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. Please stand by. Can I get announcements from the attorneys for and on the record, please?
Maria Mancha for the state of Texas.
Victoria Cruz on this representing the defense.
And Ms. Mancha, have you disclosed all discovery materials to Ms. Cruz?
We have, Your Honor.
Ms. Cruz, is everything in order regarding your client's discovery?
Yes, Your Honor, defense is satisfied.
And do you believe that Mr. Gonzalez is mentally competent to proceed today?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Does he need a translator or someone to assist him with special needs?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Gonzalez, I do need to swear you in. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury should you lie to the court or make a false statement to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
You may put your hand down, Mr. Gonzalez. I do have some questions for you, sir. Mr. Gonzalez, are you satisfied? Are you happy with the quality of legal counsel and legal representation that Ms. Cruz, and Ms. Cruz, are you still with the Martinez law firm?
Yes, Your Honor. It's just this was a pro bono case.
I see. Okay. Well, Ms. Cruz works for the Martinez law firm, and oftentimes they take pro bono, not a lot. It doesn't matter that you're entitled to the same representation. So, Mr. Gonzalez, are you satisfied with her representation and the representation of the Martinez firm?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, sir, are you the same John Henry Gonzalez who is charged with the offense of making a terroristic threat alleged to have taken place on or about the 10th day of May of 2024?
I'm better. Yeah.
Let me ask you this question again, sir, because you're not understanding my question. My question is, are you the same John Henry Gonzalez? That individual, is that you, sir? The same individual who's charged with the offense of making a terroristic threat on or about the 10th day of May of 2024. Is that you, sir?
Yes, I'm the same entity.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm not here to play games with you or play word games with you. Okay, I'm going to recess right now. We're going to get off the record, and Ms. Cruz is going to have a conversation with you about how you should conduct yourself in a hearing. Understood?
Mhm.
Excuse me, sir?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Cruz, I think you know exactly where I'm going with this. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to talk to your client in a breakout room. Somebody put Ms. Cruz in a breakout room, and then hopefully we can pick up right where we left off in 5 minutes. Off the record, Olga.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I am the same entity. Yeah, that's where I jumped into this docket. I jumped in, I heard I'm the same entity, and my first thought was sovereign citizen. I was like, oh, we got a sovereign citizen in Judge Gonzalez courtroom. This is gonna be great. Yeah, I don't think he's a sovereign citizen. He said that right at the right time. And yeah, this guy though, just answer the question. Like, well, why are you coming in all grumpy and with attitude? You don't have to. All right, let's keep going.
Okay. Well, let's get back on the record. Recalling 734-068. And we'll start where we dropped off. And again, we have Mr. John Henry Gonzalez as the defendant. Everybody's made their announcements. And we got to the part where I'm going to ask you again, Mr. Gonzalez, are you the same John Henry Gonzalez who is charged with the offense of committing a terroristic threat on or about the 10th day of May of 2024? Is that you, sir?
Yeah, it's me.
Now, Mr. Gonzalez, the offense that you are charged with is a Class A misdemeanor. That means that the range of punishment can be up to 1 year of incarceration at the Bexar County Jail. In addition to that, Mr. Gonzalez, the court can fine you up to, but no more than $4,000. And you could also lose your Second Amendment right to bear firearms, have guns, and handle ammunition. Mr. Gonzalez, do you understand the charge against you? Okay, here's what we're doing today, Miss. Here's what we're doing today, Ms. Cruz. We're going to reset this matter, and Mr. Gonzalez is ordered to appear in person with you. This is going to take us 2 hours at the rate we're going with him.
See, told you, don't do it. I don't know what his problem is, but he did FAFO. All right, I'm gonna let this video play out. This is just a short one to start out the day. Got good news. We do actually have a real sovereign citizen coming up here in supposedly 20 minutes, but it's probably gonna be more like an hour. So I'll have another video out in a couple hours if he shows up. But I saw it on the docket today, and I am excited. So yeah, be excited for that. All right, you guys are awesome. If you haven't done it already, please hit that like button. It does help out the channel. Until next time, bye.
Evidently, he is not acclimated well wherever he's at to be able to respond to this court in a manner in which this court is convinced he knows what he's saying and what he's doing. So because of that, I think he would be better served to come in person. And this court is concerned about his ability to comprehend what's going on. So I apologize for any time you've wasted, Ms. Cruz, but I'm more concerned about the time that he's wasting on the court's clock. So, Ms. Obledo, can you please give her a reset date? And Mr. Gonzalez, she does, and let me be clear, Ms. Cruz, you do not have to come in person. He needs to come in person, and he needs to appear before me at the bench in County Court at Law number 13. Mr. Gonzalez, we're located on the 3rd floor of the Cadena Reeves Justice Center, located at 300 Dolorosa here in San Antonio, Texas, just in case you find yourself unable to get here. There's your address. Google it, get on Google Maps and get here. Ms. Obledo, when is the date where they're reset to come back for this plea?
Victoria, could you come back to my office and we can look for a date and time?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be
All
back.
right.
And then we can we'll put it like in the afternoon, and that way he can be down here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
And Victoria, do you need him to stay on, or will you call him?
No, I'll call him and his mother, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ms. Cruz. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Everyone is excused on that matter.
Thank you.